We are living in a society that is constantly chasing excitement, faster car, bigger paycheck, even more like on Instagram. But there's a question worth to ask. Is excitement truly happiness? There is no coincidence that the society tried to shape our mind in a way that we confuse these two. Excitement, driven by dopamine, feel like quick win, surge of joy, but is fleeting. Happiness, however, is more subtle, working on serotonin, and it lasts much longer. But the real question is, for our ultimate goal, are we chasing the right feeling? Let's talk about dopamine, that chemical behind excitement, a neurotransmitter that is responsible for award-seeking behavior. Whenever you achieve something, whether it's a promotion, purchasing a new gadget, or even more likes in your social media, your brain gives you a hit of dopamine, and then immediately it drops. That rush, that surge of excitement and pleasure that we associate with happiness and with success. But dopamine is designed to spike and then immediately drop. It is just like running on the treadmill. Faster you run, faster your destination moves. That's when you remain unsatisfied and restless, because your brain is constantly seeking that moment of a spike. That's what we confuse excitement with happiness. Society knows that. That barrage of advertisement, the pressure to succeed, is designed in a way that we consume more. We believe that happiness is always one purchase away. We spend more, and we believe that with the spending, with consuming, we can reach to the ultimate goal of happiness, the destination that always moves away. As fast as we run, the destination moves. Now let's talk about serotonin, the neurotransmitter responsible for calmness, sense of contentment and peace. Neurotransmitter that is responsible for mood regulation and true sense of happiness and calmness. Now let's think about, when was the last time you were truly happy? Maybe it was just sitting with a friend, chatting, or spending time with loved ones, or that stillness after a rushing day. That's when serotonin is on work. That's what you cannot purchase, but you can cultivate. But how we can cultivate that feeling of happiness? The first step is to understand the difference between happiness and excitement. Next time we are chasing something, perhaps we have to pause and ask ourselves, am I truly looking for happiness, or am I looking for excitement? Gratitude. Spend few minutes a day just to reflect on what you have and be grateful for what you have. That helps you to increase serotonin. Exercise. Exercises like yoga, qigong, walking in nature, and swimming can increase serotonin. But the key is in consistency. When we regularly exercise, it helps us to boost our mood and overall well-being. Sunlight exposure. There are religions that even tells you that when you wake up in the morning, you should expose to outdoor, looking at sun rising and praise it. That boosts your serotonin and increase the level of serotonin and happiness. Go to the nature, wake up in the morning and look at the sunrise, and you will see how you lift your mood. Another way to cultivate happiness is through socializing. Having mindful conversation and spending time with friends, families, and loved ones, even with pets, helps you to increase the level of serotonin in your brain and helps you to have this feeling of belonging and cultivating happiness. Last but most important is mindfulness and practicing meditation. The science shows that meditation helps you to be grounded and be present. When you're truly grounded and present, your brain releases serotonin and promote the sense of calmness and contentment. Through practicing mindfulness and meditation, you can understand that it's not about chasing the next excitement, but it's about appreciating the moment and what you have. At the end of the day, both serotonin and dopamine are important, and they have their place in our lives. Dopamine helps us to take action, to pursue our goals. But then it's very important to balance the level of serotonin in our lives. To understand it's not about chasing the next goal, but it's about appreciating what we achieved. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, and write in the comment below how you cultivate happiness. Until next time, I wish you great meditation and happy days.